Daddy. Do the swivel again. Do the same thing again.
That's a sign. Do that.
Okay, do the
I don't want to
swirl.
get hit in the face.
I wouldn't either.
Do the swirl with one hand, Daddy.
Oh, Mommy.
Get it out of your mouth.
Daddy, do the swirl with one hand.
I can't.
Jesus, Daddy, no. No.
It's like a helicopter.
Daddy, it's gonna hit us.
Okay, now do the slingshot.
That doesn't sound good. I don't want to be. Oh! No, no. You're not even recording anymore.
I am. See?
Oh.
Ow.
Did it work?
Do it again,
Don't
Daddy.
do it. That's
I
not
already got
nice.
him with it.
I know. Poor Riley. Don't be mean. Okay, Zoe, now you can watch the peas. Show off the peas.
Oh, let go, please. Wait a minute for Cody to play with.
I can't see him.
I want
Okay, do the. I see.
Okay, wait a minute, please.
That is 20.
Okay, now do the plain ones.
The plain one. Boop.
The other plain one. There. Now the doggy one in the middle. He's sleeping.
Is he? No, he's not.
Right.
Mommy, can
Yes.
I have it?
You can try him. Now let's show off this one.
No.
Okay, Mommy, show off
No.
this one.
This one?
Okay, that
Okay.
one first.
Somebody's been chewing on it.
That was Cody.
Probably. There's a marble inside.
Marble. What's a marble?
It's a hard glass ball. That's why I'm keeping track of the toys.
Ooh, there's a rainbow one too.
Yes.
Okay, you can use the rainbow one now.
I'll put it in your mouth while I wasn't looking.
Can you make it harder than that?
What's the matter?
All I did was put a box here and
Mommy.
look back, and I seen it was wet.
Can you do a
You
work
put it
card
in your
with
mouth that
this?
fast and put it back.
Probably.
What
Where
do you-
did the magic ball go?
Magic ball.
Ooh, I made a rectangle.
A rectangle.
Come on,
Can I
Cody.
try that? Okay, you
Come
can
on,
hold the
Cody.
work card.
No. Come on.
This is how I'm gonna make a rectangle. Oh no!
What?
Nothing.
Okay.
It's just that the rectangle is.
Stretch. It's stretch.
Daddy. Daddy. Daddy.
Wow.
Okay, I made a house.
Woohoo! Oh, nice. Good job, Zoe.
An arrow pointing down.
Cool.
Airbender.
Banana.
Nice.
Wait, I don't trust you, Riley.
House. Hello. 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 I'm Zoe Adamsi.
I don't want you playing with Cody because if you let go, he's gonna get smacked.
Yeah.
I'm Zoe Adamsi. You get to catch me. I'm drinking pop.
Okay, Cody, I think it's Riley's turn.
Chocolate pop.
Yeah.
Is that chocolate and pop?
Healthy. Okay, let's do something that's funny. Let's do a there, a
You're supposed to
heart.
grab it.
A heart for you.
Wow.
Grab it.
I'm the heart.
Grab it.
Good job.
Grab it.
I'm
That's
your
good
child.
creativity, Zoe.
Grab Okay.
What else can
Give
you
it a
make?
while.
I think
That's why I don't want you playing with Cody, because if you let go like that, it might hurt. How'd you scratch your hand? The kitty cat again?
I didn't see that happening. Is that from the kitty cat,
That's
Riley?
clearly cat scratches. It's
From
obvious.
outside cat, Riley?
No. From inside.
Hopefully.
Which cat, Riley? Flower or bonsai?
The outside one has diseases.
Inside.
Bonsai? I think you mean flower.
okay, I made a card.
Ooh, a what?
A car.
That does kind of look like a car, doesn't it?
Yeah, without wheels. It's
Nice.
a broken down car.
A broken down car. Oh, nice. Okay, we're gonna stop the video now.
Okay.
Say bye.
Bye.
Riley, say bye.
Let's make some now.